In example 14, we have 8 incoming freshman math majors, and they're going to be assigned to 4 different academic advisors. If each advisor takes 2 of these students, in how many ways can the students be assigned? All right. Well, I'm going to call these students, just for the sake of, as I don't really know who they are, I'm just going to call them student 1, student 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, those are my students. And I'm going to assign advisors to them. Now I have 4 different academic advisors, and I could say, well, let's say one of them is named Alice. Okay, so I'm going to assign Alice to, let's say, assign her to the first 2 students. And then let's say the next advisor is Bob. All right, so I'm going to assign Bob to the next 2 students. And then, okay, so let's say the next person, the next advisor is Charles. Okay, so Charles, I'm going to assign him to the next 2 students. And then finally, let's say the last one is Diane. I don't know. I'm going to assign her to the last 2 students. Okay, so these are the students. These are the advisors. Okay, so I'm just matching up students with advisors. Now I'm just going to leave the students fixed, and then if I could arrange them in a different way, I could assign Alice to maybe student 7 and student 3, and I could assign Bob to student 1 and student 6. Let's say I could assign Charles to maybe student 4 and student 8, and then I would have to assign Diane to student 5 and student 2. So that's another way that I could match those students with advisors. And notice, again, it's just a letter arrangement, right? It's just a letter arrangement problem. I've got 8 letters with 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, 2 Z's, right? So, and I'm just looking for the number of ways to arrange those letters. So I have 8 letters, so I can just treat them all as if they're distinguishable, and there would be 8 factorial ways to arrange them. But then I have to divide out the duplicates because I have 2 indistinguishable A's, 2 indistinguishable B's, 2 indistinguishable C's, and 2 indistinguishable D's. Okay, so if I multiply all that out, let's 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, 2 times 1 is 8 factorial. And then I just basically have 2 times 1 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. Okay, so let's see, I can cancel some stuff. There's a 4, I can cancel that. And then let's say we cancel this, make this a 3. So then I have 8 times 7 times 15. If I put that in my calculator, I got 2,520 ways to assign those advisors to the students. All right, well, that's all I've got for you in the lecture, and so you're ready to start working on the discussion questions, and I'll see you in class.